Hello and what's up guys. Today I'm gonna show you how to make money with ChatGPT fast and easy way in just 5 minutes. So without wasting your time, let's get start our video. So Fiverr is a website where people can get clients from all over the world and share their skills to get paid for it. So we can start it from there. Here is some gigs that can show that a lot of Amazon sellers need a description for their products. So this guy has 1,000+ reviews with the 5-star rating. We start with the $65 and we'll start with the $30, and this guy will start with the $55. So today I'm gonna show you how you can make money with them by using ChatGPT to write a product description for Amazon product. So now I can show you how you can write a product description in just 5 minutes. I will start with the example of this Amazon gaming headset. So you need to open your Chat GPT. Then as you can see here, sir give the title and some bullets point about the product that can describe the product basically. So firstly we need to create our bullet points and then we will write a description for this product. Before writing there, I will create a key to write a product description for Amazon product. So basically I will pin it into description. You can use it for your product. So I will just copy paste it. As you can see, here is the product title. So I just need to copy paste the product title from there. So I will copy a product title and just paste it into this, and then you can see here is a number of bullet points that you want. So basically we will just see from there. Here is 8 bullet point, so we'll just create 8 bullet points. So I will write 8 there and press enter, and ChatGPT automatically create an amazing 8 bullets point for this product. We just need to copy these bullets point and open the Google Doc and just paste it. Remember that we will only give the product title to ChatGPT and then they create a bullets point. So now we can write a description for our product. So I will write a compelling product description and just press enter. So now ChatGPT create an amazing description for our product. So just need to copy this and just go to Google Doc and just paste it there. I will just name it product description, and also top of this there is bullets point. So I will write here bullets point and I will make it bold. So done. So now our product description is ready. So many people can be earned through this method. So go on Fiverr and create account and you can earn through this process. It's a simple and easy way to get money with ChatGPT in just 5 minutes. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe our channel and thumbs up for this video.